just want to do a really quick update today to show you what's going on in the grow unit, because the seeds I planted about 2 weeks ago have mostly germinated, so I wanted to show you the progress on those. So here's how it's looking at the moment. If I come over to this corner, the lettuces are now doing really well. I haven't taken anything off there yet, but I can probably get a harvest off the 3 of them now. So they'll be coming out today and just going into a propagator, heated propagator on top of the grow unit. My lemongrass needs to be potted on, and that should be happening today too. The microgreens have all come up, and I've got a couple of chilli plants there. My Welsh onions, which I was really excited about there. And then there's a couple of pepper plants coming through as well. The peas have mostly all come up as well, so they are looking really good. These chilies are ready for potting on, and there's some pepper plants there as well. The celeriac is growing really well this side, and then towards the back there's one little tiddly one which I'll have to be careful with when I pot that one on. The lettuce has been much more successful this time. The winter density ones are doing well, as are these Valian ones. My beetroot in the front, these can come out, and these need potting on, because if I look at the bottom, the roots have come through, so they really need potting on. My celeriac here has eventually got going. There's some tiny little seedlings in a few of them now, but this germination has been very slow when you compare that they were sown the same time, and that's how a couple of them are, and then some of them are only just poking their heads through. So the basil is doing well too, which is great, and the cut and come again lettuce, that can probably come out as well. So I'm very happy with how this is going. I just wanted to give you a quick update on how things are growing in there, so that when I rearrange things next time, you're not wondering what has happened to some of the other plants that are now going to go into the propagators that are on top of the unit, because they've grown sufficient that I think they should cope okay with the natural daylight now. So that's it from me for today. I'm now going to go and pot that beetroot on for sure, and maybe a couple of the other bits and bobs in there too. But I shall update you on how the other plants are doing and do some more seed sowing very soon. So hopefully I'll catch you in the next vlog, and all I can say is take care, and for my seed growings, lovely job.